Gujarat and Durg district and Bailadila, Bastar district, and then Goa we have seen, and thereafter we have seen Jharkhand. In the Jharkhand, I said that Kiribau, Niyamundi, और I said that आजकल के लिए लोग झाड़ में नया मुंडी जैसे कोई पैदा होता है कीड़े की तरह फेंक देते हैं लोग, स्पेशली गर्ल्स को. तो झारखंड, I said that, what is I said that Nuwa Mundi. So still India is, I said that female infanticide is prevailing. Understood? So झारखंड में हमने क्या देखा? नया मुंडी, नुआ मुंडी एंड किरीबाऊ. A part of it, we can be able to see some regions having an iron ore, and that you should remember. And these regions are, I am talking about, it is Garhwal region in Tehri Garhwal in the Uttarakhand. Understood? In the Haryana, Mahendragarh, and in the Rajasthan, there is a Jaipur. Understood? So just पहले याद कर लें. Thereafter I said that where we have been able to see, yes, Garhwal in the Uttarakhand, and then we have been able to see which one, Mahendragarh in the Haryana. Just दिल्ली के साउथ में ही जाएंगे, just यहीं पे महेंद्रगढ़, नॉर्नौल आपको आ जाएगा, रेवाड़ी. So and thereafter Jaipur in Rajasthan. These are the areas. It is okay. Then coming to, I said that and there is a low quality coal is there. Understood it? And we can be able to see in Jharkhand, Palamu, Hazaribagh, and then Ranchi. These regions are also there. Palamu, yes, Palamu in the Jharkhand, and this is in a drought prone area. I said that Hazaribagh plateau is there, and other side becomes what? Leeward effect. मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था. And this is Mirzapur, so therefore it is in a leeward side. So I said that Palamu, and then I talked about Hazaribagh, Ranchi, and then two already you know that I said that Nuwa Mundi and Kiribau. Understood? In the Singhbhum region, West Singhbhum. Thereafter you must be knowing in the Odisha, what are the things in the Odisha? I said that good quality. I said in which region? Mayurbhanj, Guru Maishani, Meghasani, Badam Pahad, and we have also seen some regions like, और थोड़ा सा बगल में एक क्योंझार डिस्ट्रिक्ट है, वहाँ पे भी थोड़ा बहुत है. कलिंगा नगर है, सुंदरगढ़ है, गोपालपुर भी है. But I am taking, I said क्योंझार, and thereafter I said that कलिंगा नगर, जाजपुर के आसपास, जाजपुर एंड कटक. Understood? Clear? So these are the regions having iron ore, and फटाफट आपको जो याद हो जाएगा उसके बाद आप लिख लेंगे. Understood? First हमने कौन कौन से देखा? Do not write. I said that Uttarakhand, Garhwal, Mahendragarh in Haryana, Jaipur in Rajasthan, in the Jharkhand, there is a Palamu, Hazaribagh, Ranchi, और हम लोगों ने जो बोला था किरीबाऊ, नुआ मुंडी इन वेस्ट सिंहभूम. क्लियर? क्योंकि जितना अच्छा याद रखेंगे, देखिए क्वेश्चन ऐसे पूछा नहीं जाएगा, बट यूपीएससी मेरे पढ़ाने का ऐसा रहेगा कि कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछा जाए सो दैट यू कैन आंसर इट इफ यू हैव एन आइडिया अबाउट व्हाई दिस पोर्शन इज डेवलप्ड. अब ये कोई तो आप कहाँ से लेकर आओगे? दिस पोर्शन इज डेवलप्ड, सो यू नीड टू नो दैट देयर इज एन डेवलपमेंट के लिए एक मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट है एन आयरन ओर एंड द कोल रिजर्व शुड बी देयर. यस, एनर्जी, एंड देन आयरन से क्या बनता है हमारा बेसिक इंडस्ट्री, दैट इज एन आयरन स्टील, एंड स्टील के वजह से ही सारी इंडस्ट्री ग्रो करती है. So in the Kalinganagar, thereafter I said that Koraput, little bit in the southern Odisha. Understood it? Got it? And thereafter I am talking about in the MP, Jabalpur and Balaghat. And Balaghat is also famous for manganese, copper and all. So which one I said that? और आप लोगों को बताया भी था आप लोगों को, if you remember that close pit series, chill pit series, if you remember that, iron ore, and then this is the reason having low quality. But यहाँ पे मैंने बताया था manganese and copper is in high amount. Manganese and copper is in high amount. So rock system को एक बार revise कर लेंगे so that you should feel more comfortable. So I said that Jabalpur and Balaghat. Thereafter I said that coming into Maharashtra again the low quality and Nagpur region के पास सारा मिलेगा हमारा. अच्छा छत्तीसगढ़ का देख लेते हैं. Dalli Rajra and just Raipur as a capital of it, and then Baladila in Bastar. Understood? And then we are able to see Chandrapur in the Nagpur के बगल में क्या है सबसे one of the next slide region, and then Gadchiroli. That is in Chandrapur and Gadchiroli has, I said that, iron ore reserve. So which are the reasons till now we have seen. Thereafter we will go Maharashtra में. अच्छा इधर देख ले थोड़ा सा रत्नागिरी side. Ratnagiri and Sindhudurg. Which are the two regions I said that? Ratnagiri and Sindhudurg. In the Ratnagiri district you can be able to see what I said that there is a Dolvi steel plant. I said, and jitne bhi steel plant, the name I have taken, these are major steel plant. These are what? Major integrated, that it is known as integrated steel plant. Understood? So that I said that iron ore reserve in India distributed, it is in the, I said that Garhwal, Mahendragarh, Jaipur, Palamu, Ranchi, Hazaribagh, then we have seen Kiribau, Nuamundi in West Singhbhum, and in Odisha we have seen, I said that Badam Pahad, Guru Meshani, Meghasani, and then Kyunjhar, Kalinganagar, Koraput. These are the regions, and Sundargarh. Understood? Thereafter we have been able to see in the MP and Chhattisgarh, MP Jabalpur and Balaghat, and in the Chhattisgarh दो तो हैं Durg, Dalli Rajra and Bastar and Raipur, and then we have been able to see in the Maharashtra में कहाँ पर I said that Chandrapur और Gadchiroli. चांदनी रात में लोग गाड़ी चुरा लेते हैं, फिर से लाइट रहती है गाड़ी निकल गए. Chandrapur, Gadchiroli and then Ratnagiri and Sindhudurg. और जैसे ही कभी बच्चा रतन पैदा हो गया घर में तो फिर हस्बैंड भाग नहीं सकता, एंड फिर वो उसके लिए एक बड़ा सा सिंधु दुर्ग तैयार हो गया, दुर्ग तैयार हो जाता है, रत्नागिरी सिंधुदुर्ग. अंडरस्टूड? अंडरस्टूड इट? रत्नागिरी सिंधुदुर्ग, ये कमल दिमाग में आ गया. सो राइट डाउन द दिस इंपॉर्टेंट रिसोर्स रीजन ऑफ इंडिया. आयरन और रिसोर्स रीजन.